Hello, dear friends. Today, I want to start with a crucial message, a reality check for anyone who wants to age with strength and grace. Did you know that as we grow older, the very first sign of weakening in our body usually shows up in our legs? Not the arms, not the back, but the legs? Yes, your legs often lose strength before any other part of your body. And when that happens, it's not just about feeling a little slower or more tired. It's about risking your independence and the freedom to do the things you love. Picture this: struggling to climb the stairs in your own home, finding it hard to stand up from your favorite chair, or worse, facing a fall that could change everything. Sounds frightening, right? But here's the empowering truth. It doesn't have to be this way. Think of your legs as the pillars holding up your whole life. When those pillars are strong, everything else stays steady. Today, I'm going to reveal 3 incredible foods that can help you keep your legs powerful, flexible, and ready to support you in every step of your journey. These aren't exotic superfoods or expensive supplements. They're everyday, affordable foods that you can start adding to your meals right now. And if you stick with me through this video, I promise you'll feel the difference in just a few weeks. Plus, I've saved the most surprising and beneficial food for last. It not only strengthens your legs, but also supports your heart and brain health. So, before we get started, I want to ask you something. Have you noticed your legs feeling a little weaker? Maybe climbing stairs is more tiring, or you feel less steady on your feet? If you answered yes, then this video is just for you. Let's make a commitment to ourselves and to our loved ones to do everything possible to stay strong, active, and free. Ready? Let's begin. Why do legs weaken first? Think about this. Have you ever felt that standing up from a chair or walking up a flight of stairs requires more effort than it did a few years ago? That's not just your imagination. There's a real biological reason for it. As we age, our bodies go through a natural process called sarcopenia, which means losing muscle mass and strength over time. Starting in your 40s, your muscles begin to shrink at a rate of about 1% per year. By your 60s, this loss can accelerate to 2% or more annually. And here's the key point. Your legs tend to lose muscle faster than any other part of your body. Why? Because they carry the heaviest load. Every step you take, every time you stand, sit, or balance, your legs do the heavy lifting. Imagine your muscles like a bank account. When you're young, you're constantly depositing strength and endurance. But as you age, your body starts to withdraw more than it deposits. Because your legs are so active, they're the first to show the signs of these withdrawals. At first, you might notice little things. Your legs feel heavier during a walk, or you need to hold onto the railing when climbing stairs. But over time, those signs become more serious. Simple activities, gardening, dancing, playing with grandchildren, may begin to feel like challenges. And here's the scary part. Weak leg muscles increase your risk of falls, which can lead to serious injuries or long recovery periods. In fact, falls are the leading cause of fatal injuries among adults over 65. That sounds alarming, but don't lose hope. Sarcopenia can be slowed, stopped, or even reversed with the right approach. No matter your age, it's possible to regain strength and balance. Let me share a story. Mary, 74 years old, had been avoiding stairs and walks because her legs felt unstable. After making some changes to her diet and daily movement, she found herself walking further, climbing stairs without hesitation, and even joining a community dance class. Her secret? The foods and habits I'm about to share with you. Now, think about your legs. Do you feel strong and steady? Or are you noticing small signs of weakness? If it's the latter, now is the perfect time to act. Understanding why your legs weaken is the first step. Next is learning how to fight back with nutrition. The right foods give your muscles and bones the fuel and building blocks they need. Let's explore the top 3 foods that can help you strengthen your legs and maintain mobility for years. Number 1, wild-caught fatty fish, nature's muscle fuel. Fish like salmon, mackerel, sardines, and trout are packed with omega-3 fatty acids and high-quality protein. Omega-3s aren't just healthy fats. They reduce inflammation, soothe aching joints, and speed up muscle repair after activity. Think of omega-3s as a natural oil that keeps your muscles and joints moving smoothly. Plus, The protein in these fish helps rebuild muscle fibers that naturally break down over time. One serving of salmon can provide over 20 grams of protein and a good dose of vitamin D, which strengthens bones. Whether you grill, bake, or enjoy canned versions, fatty fish are a simple way to nourish your legs. Don't like fish? You can also get omega-3s from plant sources like chia seeds, flax seeds, or walnuts. Or consider a high-quality fish oil supplement if needed. Studies show that seniors who regularly consume omega-3s experience slower muscle loss, up to 20% less, compared to those who don't. That's a huge edge in preserving your strength and independence. Number 2, dairy and alternatives, building blocks of strength. Dairy foods like milk, yogurt, and cheese are excellent sources of 2 key nutrients, protein and calcium. Protein is essential for repairing muscle fibers after daily movement and exercise. Calcium is vital for maintaining bone density and preventing fractures. As we age, our bodies become less efficient at absorbing these nutrients, so it's critical to get enough through your diet. A glass of milk can deliver about 8 grams of protein, and a serving of Greek yogurt can pack in 20 grams. Even small additions like sprinkling cheese on a salad can contribute significantly. If dairy isn't your thing, many plant-based milks are fortified with calcium and protein. Leafy greens, fortified cereals, and supplements are also great options. For example, Robert, a 68-year-old retiree, started adding a daily glass of milk and a yogurt snack to his routine. Within months, his legs felt stronger, his joint pain eased, and he was walking longer distances with more energy. Scientific research backs this up. Adequate protein and calcium intake reduces fall risk and supports muscle retention in older adults. Number 3, leafy greens, the unsung heroes. Don't underestimate the power of leafy greens like spinach, kale, collard greens, and arugula. These vibrant vegetables provide vitamin K, magnesium, and potassium, 3 nutrients essential for muscle and bone health. Vitamin K helps your body use calcium effectively, locking it into bones to keep them strong. Magnesium supports muscle function and helps prevent painful cramps. Potassium balances electrolytes and reduces muscle fatigue, keeping your legs energized. Adding greens is easy and delicious. Toss spinach into your omelet, make a kale salad, or saute collard greens with garlic. You can even blend them into smoothies for a quick nutrient boost. Linda, 65, started adding leafy greens to her meals after her physical therapist's advice. Within weeks, her muscle cramps disappeared, her legs felt stronger, and her energy improved. A recent study found that people who eat leafy greens regularly are 30% less likely to experience muscle weakness as they age. Now that you know which foods help, let's talk about daily habits to maximize their benefits. Stay active every day. Movement is your best friend. You don't need to run marathons. Just 20 to 30 minutes of walking daily can improve blood flow, strengthen bones, and keep joints flexible. Consider gentle exercises like yoga or Tai Chi, which build strength, balance, and stability. Even light resistance training with bands, while seated, can preserve muscle mass. Try to schedule your movement after meals. It's a great way to boost energy without overwhelming your day. Hydrate well. Muscles need water to function at their best. Dehydration can cause weakness and fatigue. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water daily, more if you're active. Prioritize rest and sleep. Your muscles recover and rebuild when you rest. Make sure you get quality sleep every night to support muscle health. Remember, your legs are the foundation of your independence and freedom. By nourishing them with fatty fish, dairy, or alternatives, and leafy greens, and pairing those foods with daily movement and good hydration, you can rebuild strength and reclaim your vitality. Imagine climbing stairs without hesitation, walking confidently, and enjoying life fully for years to come. Start today. Your legs and your future self will thank you. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more elder wisdom tips. Thank you for watching, and here's to strong legs and a strong life.